So just close your eyes and bring your consciousness, your attention in your body. Breathe into your body. Feel the core axis of energy running through your body like a column of energy, extending way above your crown and all the way down through your body into the earth. Understanding we're connected to the whole realm of spirit, to the stars, and to the earth, our mother. We can feel this column expand as we bring our consciousness towards this reality. And swirling around each one of us, we can feel energies that begin to swirl and dance. And you recognize the elemental energies present in this moving energy. The spirit of fire, the spirit of water, the spirit of the earth, the spirit of the wind. And just allow these energies to move around your body, to interface with your energy, to merge with your energy. In the vision, imagine you're holding a wand or a staff in front of your body. You're holding it with both hands. And at the top of the staff, there's a beautiful crystal. And the point of the staff merges into the earth and into the crystalline grid, both the soil and the energy of the earth. And in the energetic space above us, there's an opening of energy that takes place like a little window. And an energy begins to swirl down from above, down through the axis of your energy. And as it flows over you and over the wand in front of you, the crystal begins to illuminate. It begins to become very light and active, as if it's singing in energy. And as you stand there, you raise the staff and you lower it as if to gently touch the earth, as if you're striking the earth with the bottom of the staff. And this sends a ring of light out from where you're standing in waves. And as the energy moves and each one of us in the meditation participates, the waves of light merge, forming a pattern of light all over the planet, as if these rings of light are merging and accelerating as they come together over the planet. And there's an energy flowing down through the shaft from the crystal into the crystalline grid. And you feel as your hands hold this staff to support it, you're participating in stabilizing an energy that is integrating in the grid. And as the energy moves around the planet, you can see that as it touches different areas on the planet, there are little catalysts of activity, like little lights that pop or illuminate, like little bursts of light as the energy moves through the surface of the earth. And in some areas, it forms these little swirls that swirl up and dance around that part of the earth. In some places, these movements are big, and you can feel there's a catalyzing and a healing energy. And the energy has a very pale blue and golden hue to it. And then over the surface of the planet, we can see an energy forming like clouds, but clouds made of energy. Luminescent, colorful energy, like clouds made of rainbows. And the energy in this builds and builds. And it's as if the clouds become full of energy and they begin to release the energy like little droplets of light that rain down all over the planet, everywhere on the planet, all at the same time. And the energy sinks into the surface of the earth, and as if it's drawn into the earth, deep into the core of the earth, all the way down to the very center of the earth. And as the light arrives at the center of the earth, it triggers an energy like a starburst, and the energy rises back up through the planet and sends rays of light like the whole earth is shining like a sun. And we ask collectively that this light be received by the planet, by the earth, as we play our humble part in helping this energy arrive on the planet, merge with the planet, illuminate the planet. Bringing awareness, consciousness, humanity, love, compassion, kindness, and grace. Let it wash through the hardness of consciousness. That allows us as human beings to reserve our love, to reserve our wisdom, reserve our understanding from sharing. And as we soothe ourselves in the balming energy of the healing grace, we come back into our bodies. Just breathe yourself back into your body. And wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes.